Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Aquarius placements. This is your short love reading. Okay, ngayong April. So, check lang natin kung ano bang meron sa person on your mind. Okay, so, yeah. Syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. And yeah, again, don't forget na mag-follow and subscribe sa atin pong dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Okay, Love Letter and Rescue Animals. Animal Rescue. Parang ganyan. Okay, so sa kapatid ko po yun, kaya hindi ko masyadong sa ulo. Oo. So, nandyan naman nasa description box below yung link. So, yes, sasaan ko kayo. Oo, salamat. Agad-agad. Okay, so, and yung ating mga items is all available. Yung ating mga pangharang, panabla, o diba? Sa mga nagbibigay ng evil eye sa atin. Oo, kaya tayo ay hindi makagawa ng ayos, hindi nagiging okay yung pamimera natin kasi sinasabotahin ng iba. Yun yung ating mga sasanggahin. Okay, yun yung ating mga lalabanan, iiwasan. Sila yung parang, bumalik ka dun. Parang ganun, no? So, ganun ha, ang gawain ng mga evil eye protection natin, ha? And, sa love bracelet, yan, meron tayong love bracelet. Kahit ano, connection, yan, pwede sa'yo yan. If you're single, yes, pwede rin sa'yo. And, yung ating granter necklace, so si granter yung taga-grant. Okay, na mga minamanifest mo. Okay? Si granter, siya yung nagsisilbing parang, okay, genie. Diba? And, syempre, tagapagbigay ng surprises, yung si granter. Yeah. And, yung ating pang cord cut. So, if you're, tawag dyan, ang tawag doon, alam mo na, diba? Kung anong meron kay cord cut, so, mabuti. Pero kung wala kang alam, then, yeah, message me. Okay? So, agad. Kung may mga tanong, doon po sa FB page, ha? Na mag-message. Hindi ko po kayo makikita dito sa comment section. Hindi po ako nasagot sa comment section ng PM me. No, I don't do that. Okay? Be careful with the scammers. So, air sign. Aqua. Yeah, you're an air sign. Aquarius placements. Who is this person? Who is the person on your mind? Anong meron sa kanya? The person on your mind. Aqua, who is this? The Two of Cups. Mutual feelings, mutual understanding. The Four of Swords. You're always in their head. Yeah. Ang laki ng concern ng taong to sa'yo. Mahalaga ka sa kanya, actually. Okay? Strong connection. If this is a past person, they're still attached. Still, naka-hook ka pa rin sa kanya kung past person to. You're living in their head rent-free. Let's see. Some of you, hindi kayo magkausap. May breakup, some of you. Let's see, ano bang kailangan nung malaman sa sitwasyon ngayon? Aquarius. Some of you might be dealing with a Sagittarius. Eight of Pentacles. So, anong kailangan pag-focusan dito? Some of you have to focus on something na alam mo nandyan. Okay? Yeah, the Moon. Focus ka lang, Aqua, sa kung anong meron sa harap mo, sa kung anong nandyan. Hindi doon sa wala. Yes, nandyan yung emosyon mo, nandyan yung sabihin nating attachment pa rin, doon sa person, pero paano kung wala? Di po ba? Okay? So, the Five of Pentacles, para kang nag-crave, if ever. You're putting effort, kung ano man. Okay? I-fix, kung ano man. Sa wala naman. Sa hindi natin alam. Okay? The moon is here. You're mirroring each other. Yeah, you're mirroring each other. Sinasabi rin dito na kung hindi mo pinag-alaanan ng oras to, ganun rin siya, pero nandun pa rin ikaw. Nandun ka pa rin. Okay? Longing. Meron ditong mga tao na nakikita kong nagpapaka-busy para lang hindi mag-crave dito sa connection na to. May nagka-crave dito sa connection. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Still waiting, still invested. Okay? Yeah, hindi ko sabihin nating maitatanggi na strong kasi yung connection na to. Yes. Kung hindi kayo nagkikita, kung sabihin natin wala namang breakup, kung hindi kayo nagkikita ng taong to, gusto ka nila, nakikita ka, nasa isip ka nila, they like you. Yeah. Emotion niya for you, Aqua. Excuse me. Anong emotion niya for you? The Knight of Swords in reverse. And the Emperor. Man, they want to step up. They want to step up. Pero, I'm seeing here blockages. Yes, the Knight of Swords in reverse. I don't know if the communication is good. Okay, maybe somebody is sabihin nating may mga pinagkakaabalahan. Mas busy doon sa isa. Parang ganyan. Yeah, Temperance, yeah, Sagittarius. Gusto nito na maging okay kayo. Gusto niya na magkaroon ng leveling up sa situation. Pero the problem is, kanya-kanya. Okay? Kanya-kanya kayo. Communication, maybe. Okay? No contact. Pero the Emperor, gusto nila lumaban dito. Gusto nilang gumawa ng paraan dito. They really like you. Want you. Okay? Yung focus ng taong to nasa iyo lang eh. Yeah. Ayaw nila ng iba. What is their next action? Let's see. What is their next action towards you, Aqua? Page of Cups in reverse. And Eight of Wands. Yeah, they will express kung ano man yung mga gusto nilang sabihin. Some of you expect a message coming from this person. Okay? Para ma-fix yung mga dapat i-fix. Yeah, the Chariot. Leveling up. Gusto nila may mangyaring ayaw lang nakapreno, ayaw lang nakatigil. Gusto nila may mangyaring pag-andar, pag-usad sa inyo. Yeah. Strong connection. Yes. So, let's see anong outcome / advice. Yeah, maikling lang reading para sa buwan ng April. Okay? So, anong meron? Outcome ngayong April. Advice kung meron. For Aqua. Four of Wands in reverse. And Seven of Wands. Huwag mong hahayaang magkaroon ng blockages dito. May potential po. Okay, may potential yung inyong connection. Huwag nyong lalagyan ng sabihin nating boundaries. Sabihin nating just be open. In general, just be open sa thinking about pakikipag-connect or reconnection maybe. Okay? So, kung ikaw sa'yo, sarili mo, ayoko na po ganito, ganyan, then stop it. Okay? Kung ikaw gusto mong bigyan pa ng pagkakataon, yes, meron pa naman ako nakikitang potential dito. Okay, the Nine of Cups. Some of you, if the blockage is hindi ka healed, then wag kang e-enter. Okay, pero yeah, allow the energy, okay, na mag-flow in. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. You both like each other. Yeah. Huwag mong lalagyan ng hadlang or limit. Sabihin nating magkaroon lang ng open door. Okay? Para sa isa't isa. Yes. Maalis ang tension, I think. The Seven of Wands universe. Kung mayroong mga i-express na mga emosyon dito, yeah, magiging okay to. The Devil, the Ten of Pentacles. See? The Six of Cups. They really like you. They really, really, really want you. Gusto nila ng happy ever after with you. They want long-term connection. They're obsessed. Some of them. They're obsessed. Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Gagawa ng paraan to. Okay? Gagawa ng paraan to. Magiging responsable itong taong to, whether babae man, lalaki, kung ano man ang gender niya. Kung sila yung kailangan mag-step up dito, then they will. Okay? Basta wag mo lang lalagyan ng harang. Okay? Wag mo lang lalagyan ng harang or sabihin natin maging open lang sa isa't isa. Yeah. Mahirap para sa iba sa inyo na gawin yon, pero kung alam nyong mahirap na yung sitwasyon, then hindi ito para sa inyo. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries. They're weak. Maybe weak pagdating sa'yo. Ayaw nila ng blockages. Yeah. Somebody, may chance itong Aries na to is magtanggal ng block or ikaw tanggalin mo sa pagkakablock itong si Aries. So, Taurus, they want to communicate. Gemini, you're in their head. They're afraid of you, some of them. Cancer, so parang wala na, hindi ka na makita ni Cancer, parang hindi ka na niya ma-reach like that. Some of them, they're sad. Wala nang pathway, walang direction. Without you, they're sad. Parang ganyan. Leo, gusto nila pakikipag-ayos, pakikipagbalikan, pero I don't know, some of them hindi nila kayang umeffort, hindi nila kayang mag-approach whatsoever. Gumawa ng action. Virgo, you're in their head. Libra, a missed opportunity. Yeah, somebody feeling a missed opportunity with you. Scorpio, they need you. Feeling incomplete without you. Okay? They're sad. Kung hindi ka nakikita, nakakasama, nakakausap. Sagittarius, they're moving on. Some of them. Okay? Parang yeah, in general, gusto nilang gumawa ng action. Capricorn, they're healing. Aquarius, feeling confident. Feeling beautiful. Some of you, yeah, they're attracted pagdating sa'yo or vice versa or flip. Pisces, okay, they're like surrendering. Okay, they're like surrendering kung ano man ang meron. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Aquarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.